Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aliah Sabrina binti Muhammad Sabri, 1181597. Alright, so today my team and I will present about our website that we have created, which is about technology for the deaf and hard hearing. Okay, so first of all, I will describe the objective of the establishment of this website. So, the first objective is to introduce and educate the masses of deaf technologies so that many people will know about the existence of advanced technologies such as deaf technology in this modern era. Then, the second objective is to understand the deaf technology in terms of availability and usage. We want to share with many people about how to use the deaf technology properly. The last objective is to promote the deaf technology's availability to increase awareness among the masses generally and the deaf community especially. We want more people to know about the sophistication of technology for the deaf so that many people will more concerned with the existence of deaf people in the world. Okay, next I will talk about the target users. Okay, so the establishment of this website targets the netizen. This is in line with the third objective, which is we hope more people will be more concerned with the deaf people in this world. So the second target is people with hearing disabilities, or we call it deaf community. This website is important for the reference of deaf people. This will make it easier for them to understand how to use the deaf technology properly. And the third target is the deaf technology developer. This is important because this website can be used as a reference for developers to build the deaf technology. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SITI MARWANI binti Makjun. My matric number is 1181572. So today I will present the interface of our website. First of all, our website name is Deaftech, which means the technology for the deaf people. Before I go further, we choose the aesthetic and minimalist design to develop this website. We choose this principle because it will help the user to focus on their goals without getting distracted by the design. Next, we put 3 button navigations, which are home, technologies, and about. As you can see here, when I hover this cursor to the technologies button, it will change the color into green because it shows that this navigation are clickable. As you can see here, this whole navigation button is green, not blue, because it will ensure the user know they are on home page, not technologies or about page. As users scroll down this website, they will see the zigzag layout. Zigzag layout, which means the placements of image and text on horizontal row. Ice tracking research show that the predictable layout helps user read and scan information efficiently. Next, as you can see here, we have a read more button. The user also will give the attention to this read more button because we use the contrast between background color and read more button. When user hover this cursor to the read more button, it will change the color into light brown like this because it will show that these buttons are clickable, and when user click this button, it will go to technology page like this. As you can see, here is about Deaftech. So when user click read more here, it will go to about page. So here we also use the simple interface, and when we scroll, it also use the zigzag layout. To conclude, as you can see, we are very consistent about the concept of the design. We use the same concept, which is the zigzag layout at the home page and also the about page, because it allows user become familiar without extra learning. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AIMAN bin SAIFUL ANUAR, My metric number is 1181579, and now I'm going to present the technologies page in our website and the Quranic verse that we had chosen to justify the creation of our website. Okay, firstly, let's look the layout of the technologies page. Okay, here you can see that our technologies page have the list of the technologies related for the deaf and hard hearing, and the layout for this page is the correct layout. We choose this layout to ease the user to go through all the items on the list and make it easier for them to see all the technologies that are listed here. Okay, now let's look at one of the technologies page. We're going to look at the safety aids. Okay, here when they click on the picture of the safety aids, it's going to bring them to the safety aids page. Here, firstly, you can see this the title, and then we have the description or a short description of the safety aids, and then one of the example of one of the pictures of the safety aids for the technologies, and then we have the what is it section, which give a more detailed explanation or description regarding the technologies, and lastly we have the advantages section, which describe and explain the advantage of this particular technology or the technology on the page. And as you can see here, we use a single column layout so that the user can focus on each of the section one by one, and this will allow them to actually read through all of the details that we had provided here. And since we are using a consistent and standardized layout for the hearing aids, the layout is the same. We have the titles, the description section, the photos related to the technologies, what is the section, and the advantages section. Okay, so that's all for the technologies page and technologies list. Now we're going to look at the Quranic verse that we had chosen for the creation of our website. Okay, now we're going to look at the Quranic verse that we had chosen. Okay, the Quranic verse that we had chosen is this from Surah Al-Anbiya, verses 80. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وعلمناه صنعة لبوس لكم لتحسنكم من بأسكم فهل أنتم شاكرون. Meaning, and we taught him the fashioning of coats of armor to protect you from your enemy in battle. So will you then be grateful? Okay, this verse is actually telling the story about Nabi Daud alaihi salam. So this verse is about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaching Nabi Daud on how to create armor from using ayat. Okay, and from this verse you can see that technology development and advancement is encouraged in Islam, where the technology developed in the verses said is the armor created from ayat. And since technology is encouraged in Islam, we want to educate the ummah more about it, so that these current technologies can help inspire others people to actually explore it, or they could also improve it and perhaps even advance it even more. So that is the reason why we are creating this website, so that we could teach people, educate people about technologies, and also inspire them to actually create or even advance this technology even more, so that a lot of people could reap the benefits from it. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.